putting together a video on my Transit Custom, and I'm just on stripping it down now. I've removed the wheel and I'm just having a look under this wheel arch, and I just thought I'd do a quick video just to show you what rust we've got going on underneath my 2017 van. So this is a 2017 plate Transit Custom, and this is how rusty my van is at the moment. So I'm going to be repairing all the rust on the van. You can see we've got some low down. This seems to be an area that they do rust, as you'll see at that 2013 plate one that I did recently, video I uploaded where I actually made a panel to go in here and I welded it in. I repaired both lower halves of the van. I did a lot of welding on the van, and I will actually put that video at the end of this video if you're interested, so you can click on it and see the work that I did do to that van. But this is the next van I'm doing. It's my van. I'm going to be putting a body kit on the van. It's going to be getting a full respray. It's going to be a big makeover job. It's going to be a good video. It is going to be a really good video. But I just wanted to show you first, just out of interest, people that might be interested, what rust is actually under these vans and around these vans. So you can see 8-year-old van. You can see it's got plenty of rust going on up round there. It's still solid though. It's still solid. I've given it a stabbing with a screwdriver, and it is all still solid. But as you can see, we've got rust going up round there. So I'm going to treat all this rust. I'm going to sand it all up, and I'm going to treat it. I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to wax oil it. But I just thought that some people might be interested just to see the condition of this van. So 8-year-old van, 8 years old Transit Custom. It's got 120,000 miles on it. So you can see I've cleaned out quite a lot of crap already. I'll just have a lay down and show you underneath. You can see my exhaust's about rotten. So we've got lots of surface rust going on there. You can see we've got rust coming through up there. But this probably isn't a bad van, to be honest. You can see it's going on that seam there. We're going to get all that cleaned up, treat it, seal it up, and obviously it'll be getting resprayed. Just have a quick look under here. So you can see under here just how ropey it's going there. It's going underneath. So yeah, it's starting to get ropey. You can see up there, 2017 Transit Custom. So I think by cleaning up all this, treating it, giving it a good spray with some underseal, it's going to definitely give it a lot more years. But it's just a pity that it's gone like this already. 8-year-old van. Just goes to show that when you get these vans, you've got to treat them all the time. I'd be treating them at least every couple of years from new, just to stay on top of it and to stop all this rust happening. So yeah, my 2017 plate Transit Custom, getting bashed on with this one now. There's going to be a real good video coming on this one very soon. But don't forget to check out that video of the 2013 plate one I did with all that welding and all that work I did, the paint work. It was a massive job.